Hello there. I've got no idea how the sound quality is going to be here. This is going to be very interesting to experiment with. Let's see if we can tighten that a little bit. I'm inside of well, it's not complete yet, but it's going to be a chicken house. It's a work in progress. Yes. Wow, that looks dated. Oh well. It helps me lean against this with no worry of getting anything stuck in my hair. Oh well. Strange little video. I've not uploaded anything recently, so yeah, I guess this is something. Got surprisingly little going on right now, all things considered, but it feels like so much. We're working on the garden. Hopefully it will go well, but if the weather prognosis is anything to go by, well, we're fucked, if I'm being blunt with this. I'm not opposed to sun, but if it drains up the well and we get no water, well, that's a bit of a problem. Let's see if we can open up a second one. We're going to see. This is our project, so maybe we'll get chickens, and if possible, I'll get myself a little production rabbits going on. That would be wonderful. Get that going. Schoolwork marches onwards. I wish I could help friends more. Feel like I'm neglecting a duty, but also ended up being a server owner apparently. Hey. April 1st, I become the server owner of a Discord server where I've been quite active recently, ever since a little bit before New Year. So that's wonderful. This has grown. But I'm trying to learn to trim it better, trying to get a handlebar going, but well, let's just say I'm not an expert yet. I'm learning. D&D every Sunday, so that's nice. I'm going to be trying out some new things, and we're going to see where that server goes, if that might become something I'm going to use for more large-scale things. Right now it is what it was, with a few modifications, and what it was mainly a roleplay and loot sharing server. So you know, with what my past self tried to do with YouTube, it doesn't quite mesh. But at the same time, it sort of meshes with who I am now. Even though I've moved away mostly from writing, not say for work, it is still something like, let's face it, I'm a guy, I've got my needs, can you blame me? So yeah, got that going on. I'm just rambling at this point. I've not seen Mark's latest video, which honestly I'm probably putting off with it because I just want to be there for him regardless of what that story is, but at the same time I'm not sure how to help Mark. You're probably watching this, and if you're, just just send me a message. Talk about whatever. Let's do something fun. Once I'm done with school, hopefully I'll be able to do more. Maybe I'll get some writing done. I'll do more of that. Animals need their time tended to, but once you're starting farming, it's not like a pet that, like a city pet that you take care of every day and you cuddle with every night. That's not how animals work out here. Hilarious stories every time someone asks me what breed my cats are, and I'm like, I've got no idea. These aren't cats that have a breed. Down here, if you want a cat on a property like mine, you get in touch with a horse farm, and if they have cats, they are cats that were born in the stables, and you don't know the breed. You don't have that kind of data down here. It's just not how it works. Or up in North Sweden either. I feel like that's more of a city thing. I don't know. It's more of a town or city thing. Out here, we need a oh Jesus. Oh. We need a cat that can hunt mice and hunt rodents. That's what we need down here. Out here, I guess is a better term for it. You just need a cat that can take care of itself and the property. Oh, that burns. But yeah, this is coming together. This is still loose. But these are coming on. There are some errors in my construction. This is just loose here because I wanted a wall while I was sitting here, just relaxing. You can get out here, but you can crawl out. But we're going to try and make a like open flap thing on this side, so that we can get eggs out more easily and clean it more easily. Though this isn't going to be the final chicken house. Going to build that more thoroughly than this, which is the frame was completed like last summer, maybe the summer before that, which is crazy to think about and kind of makes me go, oh god, what am I doing with my life? But yeah, I'm still young and I've got a long life expectancy in today's age. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. I'm just sitting here rambling, hoping that someone out there in the world will get some enjoyment out of or whatever you want to call it, some form of good feeling about knowing that there's another person just living a life. Not a celebrity, not a multi-millionaire, just a guy living a life. It's not enormously dull, not by a long shot, but it's not glamorous. And quite frankly, I like it that way. I might start uploading more again. I've got a few ideas, mainly just talking about world building, because I feel like talking tends to help me psychologically and creatively. So expect D&D videos, I guess, of just me talking about my world that I'm trying to get on rails. But oh well, this is starting to push 10 minutes, so thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And until next time, stay happy and see ya.